Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you after uploading a game to App Store, how long until you get paid. So if you upload a game to the App Store, you don't get paid instantly. Apple works on a monthly payment system. All your earnings from ads, paid downloads or in-app purchases are collected during the month, and at the end of that month Apple calculates your total revenue, and after that the payment is processed in the following month. In most cases you receive your money about 30 to 45 days after the earnings are made. For example, if you earn money in April, Apple will process it in May, and you will usually receive the payment by late May or June. So just make sure your banking and text details are set up correctly in App Store Connect, otherwise payments can be delayed. And that's it, that's how long it takes to get paid after uploading a game to the App Store. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.